poppin' YouTube? It is your girl Kyla. I'm back again with another freaking video, and today y'all are helping me prep for Miami.
Girl, I love it when we do it, turn you on, shawty. Tell me if I'm wrong.
Y'all, I'm going on a spring break trip with a group of my friends. It's 5 of us, and we're going to Miami for spring break. We leave on Wednesday. Today is Monday, and I'm prepping to get everything ready. I'm going to show y'all how I get my hair done, how I'm doing my nails. I'm going to show y'all how I got this hairstyle. I got a few errands to run, but I'm just going to show y'all how I get ready. I'm going to pack. Y'all are going to see the whole process. So just stay tuned and watch to the end, y'all.
Hey.
My hair just came in the mail. I got some curly bundles because y'all already know what the deal is. I'm doing a curly half up, half down. And this is the hair that I got. I totally forgot the name of the hair company. On the package, it literally just says 100% human hair. So thanks. But it came in that cute little pink packaging, and I got the inches 20 and 22. We finna see how it goes, y'all. I've never done a half up, half down on myself before, so let's get into it. I'm finna wash the hair with some Aussie Moist conditioner, y'all. Conditioner, not shampoo. I like washing my bundles with conditioner because shampoo sometimes kind of strips it of like oils it needs, so conditioner it is. So let's get into it. Okay, I think this is the 20 and this is the 22. This is what the bundles look like. They have this really tight curl. It's not gonna look like this when I install, y'all. It's gonna look good, but yeah, these are the bundles. I'll put where I got them from right over here so you guys can see, and y'all can get the link to it in the description. Y'all already know the drill. Like stretched, it goes to like almost where my waist is, and that's like right here. So yeah. right, y'all, so my hair is done. It looks really cute. My mom and I did our thing on this, but it's a little frizzy right now because I combed it out and stuff so I could see like how big it gets, but it gets even bigger than this, so it's really cute. But I did my edges and stuff. Y'all already know I'm the edge master. I'm the edge master. So I'm about to go in the nail salon like right now. I got a few errands to run, but I'm just gonna show y'all how I get ready. I'm gonna pack. Y'all are gonna see the whole process. So just stay tuned and watch to the end, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video, and let's get into this vlog. Okay, y'all, so my nails are done. I got my nails short this time because, you know, you gotta get your nails short sometimes.
The short nails for me.
A mess.
No, I had to go short, bitch.
And I just had long nails for Valentine's Day, and y'all, I don't know. It's just something about me and long nails that don't get along. I only get long nails when it's like a special occasion or something like Valentine's Day. But I'm gonna get them back for my birthday though. Best believe my nails is gonna be long for my birthday. 21, y'all already know. And yes, y'all, I forgot to tell y'all my birthday is in 1 month, y'all. I'm turning 21 in 1 month. So once we come back from Miami, the turn up is not stopping. I'm gonna give myself a little break. But then we getting back right into it. Y'all gonna see all that too. But right now, oof, I'm living for this hair. Like, me and my mom did that. But I'm about to go into this place. I was about to say, are they closed? But no, they're good. I was about to say, like, it's only 1:45 in the afternoon. Oh, there's another threading place down there too? Should I see whose prices are cheaper? Now I'm gonna go with this place because I already know they're not gonna mess my stuff up. But my nails, my eyebrows aren't really that wild right now. I just want to get them cleaned up a little bit. I don't want them to be too thin. But there is some hairs under here. Y'all probably can't see it. And don't talk about my lashes because I'm about to finish them when I get back. But it's a lot of stuff I got to do today, y'all. So let's go get these brows done. And I'm going to come back. I'm going to try and vlog it while I'm doing it. But it hurts. So I'm probably not going to be able to hold my camera like that. But we're going to try. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, we are, oh, I'm just looking at my lashes like, damn. But my sis did her thing. I went to the new place, y'all. She was working on somebody else, and I was just like, you know what, let me go down there and see what their prices are like. And they had the same prices, and literally sis gave me like a whole punch card. Like, I come back, your 10th one is free. Like, and she gave me some, like, I can come back next time. It's only $6. I'm like, child, you don't gotta tell me. You don't gotta tell me twice, because I will be back. I took a video of it. I put it on my phone. I'm gonna insert it in here. But, oh my gosh. Ooh, it hurt. It hurt, y'all. I forgot how much eyebrow threading hurts. Like, it literally is like... But, they look good. I look good. I'm excited for this trip, y'all. But, I'm about to go in the beauty supply store right now. Get some nail polish that matches this as close as possible, because my mom said she wants to do my toes for me. She said don't pay like $30 to get your toes done when I can do it for free. And I was like, girl, you're right, because I am trying to save a little bit of money before this trip, because I know it's going to be expensive, because we're going down there and we're trying to have a good time. My hair is done, my nails are done, and now my brows are done. So we're in business, honey. We are ready for Miami. Oh, baby, is that rain? Hold on. Y'all probably can't see it, but there is literally raindrops on my... Oh, let me hurry up and get in here so I can go back home, because no. Alright, y'all, so we back. Hold on, let me turn on my ring light so y'all can really see me. Okay, y'all, but this is how my hair turned out. It's super cute. I got my edges laid. It's, you know, a little curly half up, half down, like how I said I wanted. So me and my mom did that. Like, we did that. It is the day before we leave for Miami. It is Tuesday. We leave tomorrow, Wednesday, and we're staying until Saturday. I'm just really loving my hair. Like, it's so cute. It's so cute. So right now I'm about to go out with my roommates. We're about to go get like some last minute stuff for this trip. But y'all, my room is looking real crazy right now. It's looking a little bit of a mess. I got my outfits right here, and y'all, I made this tote bag. It's so cute. It's got my little YouTube name on it, and on the back, well, I'll show y'all later, but yeah, I'm gonna bring that with me. Here's all my outfits, y'all. It's looking like a lot, and we only staying for 4 days. So yeah, I got stuff all on my bed, like bags I'm taking. And here we have my lovely luggage that is empty and needs to get packed. And my accessories. Once I come back, I'm gonna actually start the packing process. I'm sorry, I'm just loving my hair. I've never had a half up, half down, so I'm really feeling, whenever I get a new hairstyle, I just be feeling myself. So I'm sorry y'all. Sorry, not sorry. Yeah, I got the shades, I got the jewelry, I got everything. Got my nails done. I did them short. I'm the only one on this trip that got short nails, but I don't care. Peep the fear of God too. Like, y'all didn't even see my bathroom. We're not even going into that, but yeah, y'all, I'm gonna hit y'all back when I'm actually packing, actually getting stuff ready, because that's gonna be a whole process in itself. I'm gonna sit y'all here and we finna get to it. It looks a mess. This is literally bringing me back to last year when I was vlogging when I was going to Miami. And if y'all have not tuned into that, you can see when I went to Miami last year for spring break as well. But it's looking crazy right now. We gonna see. It's like 6:30 right now, so we gonna see how long it takes me to pack all this shit up. So let's get back to it. Okay guys, so it's actually 11 o'clock right now. I don't know if you guys can see it, you probably can't. It's the night before we're leaving. I have to wake up. I didn't even tell you guys, I have to wake up at like 4:30 in the morning. We're leaving at 5. And I'm exhausted already. I'm tired. I'm literally about to finish packing this like right now. Like, I'm in pajamas, y'all. Don't talk about me. But y'all, look, everything is packed. Oh Lord, I gotta do this every time.
A few moments later.
Oh, my nails match my suitcase. All right, y'all, packing is done. We done. But okay, y'all, I'm probably gonna hit y'all back in the morning. It's gonna be hella early. I know I'm gonna be so tired, but I'm still gonna come and vlog for you guys because I love y'all. Y'all are gonna see the whole process. So I'll see you guys in the morning.
Hey! Don't do that. Oh my God. Do it.
Yes, sir.
Can we say the best for that? Oh my God. Shit. You drinking like me.
Okay, girl. Oh. Y'all, we running. Bro,
bro. We funny. We
Took the hell off.
No, for real. I don't play that. No,
I don't either.
Yo.
Yeah, if I go
Hey.
why you gotta flip your life? They one Kamari.
I can see it in your eyes when you feeling my vibes, baby. You ain't gotta lie.